Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I will show you how can you use Google Ad Manager and what is called and how can you learn setup. So in this video you will know perfectly guide about it. To use Google Ad Manager from start to finish you will need to follow these steps. First, sign up for Google Ad Manager. Visit the Google Ad Manager website. So this is a website and click on the Get Start button. So I will not show the practical work, but I have some basic information for you that how can you use it. Sign with your Google account and create new one. Follow the prompts to set your Google Ad Manager account. Second, set up your account. Provide information about companies such as name, website, and location. Choose the network type that best description that best describe your business. Display advertise network, video advertising, etc. networks. Configure your account setting. Includes currency, time zone, and billing information. Third step, create ad units. Ad units are the spaces on your website where ads will be displayed. To create an ad unit, I think you need a Google AdSense account to connect the ad manager, maybe, but I don't know perfectly. That's why I'm explaining this. Click on inventory in the left hand menu and select ad unit. Click on the new ad unit button. Provide a name and size for your ad unit. Customize the targeting options and ad types for the ad unit. Set up inventory. Inventory refers to the availability ad space on your website. You can set up inventory by defining the placements where ad will be appear. Click on inventory in the left hand menu and select placement. Click on new placement button. Provide a name for the placement and select the ad units. Configure the ad option and geolocation and device type. In this placement, I think so in Google Ads, I have used that to run campaign placement by targeting exact channel that I have to advertise on that. Maybe it's meaning like that. I am telling you because I have used Google Ads for the advertising my channel. So I have used to target some specific channels so that I have run on targeting ads. Okay. Fifth, create orders. An order represents a contract between you and the publisher and an advertiser. It specifies the detail of the advertising campaign, includes the targeting, inventory, and budget. Click on delivery in the left hand menu and select orders. Click on the new order button. Provide such details such as advertiser, campaign name, start, end dates, and budget. Configure the targeting option and select the ads units and placement for the orders. Generate tags. Add, add tags are species of codes that you need to place on your website to display ads. Select to deliver in the left hand menu and select creative. Click on the new creative buttons. Choose the type of creative you have to create. Example, image, video, HTML5. Configure the creative settings such as the ad dimension and targeting option. Once the creative is created, click on the generate tags button to click add tags code. 7. Implement ad tag. Place the generate ad tag code on your website where you want to ads to appear. This code will fetch and display the ads based on the targeting and placement setting you define. 8. Monitor and optimize performance. Once your ad will once your ad are live, you can monitor their performance and make the adjustment as needed. use the reporting features in the Google Ads Manager to track impression clicks and revenue. Analytic the data to optimize your ad placement, targeting options and pricing strategies. Make adjustment to your order ad units creative to improve performance. Remember that this is a specified overview to process Google Ad Manager offer. May advanced features and settings that you can explore to further optimize your advertising strategy. The platform also provides comprehensive documentary and support resources to assist your thought out the setup management process. So in this video I have show you how can you use ad manager setup guide, so you can also experience through by practical work, because in this channel I will show you the I will in this channel I will explain you how can you do that, but not practically. But for the I will collect the basic information, then I will create a video for you. Okay.